Many years ago, when I was a teenager back in the summer of '69, maybe the summer of '68, we would pile a bunch of kids in the car and head off to the swim quarry near Georgetown, Ontario. And they were great summer days, swimming in the very clear crystal water, and we would jump off the cliffs just like these kids. So a lot of fun. This swim quarry I'm showing you here is actually in Dorset, New Hampshire, and kind of has a similar look and feel. About 3 or 4 years ago, I decided to go try to find the old swim quarry and headed off. And I did find it, and of course it had changed quite a bit because now it's become a private residence. So I'm going to show you the photographs of that next. So this is a look at the quarry the way it is now, looking across from the east end, I believe, over at the cliffs where we would jump off. This is one of the private residences dock that they have built on the quarry, or kind of a boathouse dock. And another look from that position. There's a different residence over there on the left-hand side. This is again on the east side. So this is the laneway leading in now that used to be the Waterfall playground, campground entrance. All nicely manicured lawns now. Behind that house is the main swim quarry where we would swim in. This is the pond that was the campground pond, just south of the swim quarry. Looks quite different now. This is the area where we would park our cars and set up our party zone, that sort of thing. So the landscape looks similar, but it was a lot more fun. Yeah, that that cliff right there was where we jump in the water. Good memories for sure. Some trees have grown over since we were there for sure. A look again at the Waterfall playground pond. Here's an aerial photograph of the swim quarry, taken in recent years. The quarry is just in the top middle of the page. All the so-called party zone and so on is down around here. The arrow points to the cliffs where we would jump off. The road leading into the campground that we used to go and pay our admission right about here, same as always. Then we'd take a drive into the quarry. The campground was all down here. So that's the way it looks nowadays. And it's like I say, it's a private residence. So